So guys, I want to talk about this app known as Atoshi Global App, whereby we mine coin for free. So guys, Atoshi coin has been like you can sell it or you can buy. I've done many videos talking about the same Atoshi Global App, how you can buy it and how you can sell it. If you want to check the market where it has been listed, you can go to your market cap app. I've done that. If you don't know how to, just check on my previous video where I talked about Atoshi Global App. So if you are yet to register or you've registered and you've never verified your account, you're missing a lot, guys. This specific coin is going to be launched on this app on of next year, coming next year, early next year, though the date is not specified that but you are told that it is next year. So if you are yet to register, kindly go to the description of the video, register, and again join our WhatsApp group for more updates. And again, in this particular app I'm talking about, for you to register, if you haven't registered or if you registered but you never finished verification because you don't have security circle, kindly join my WhatsApp group and inbox any admin to help you do verification, security verification, so that you can go to verification too and get your free $23 for free. That is 23,000 ATOS. You can keep them and wait for next year. Okay, or some of people, like if you can be able to get ranked among the 1,000 people on a monthly basis, you'll be able to withdraw portions of your ATOS coin. Okay, so we have different things. That this one I want, this one like a wheel. You can see this is my people, those who are active, those who are not active. If you want to register, click on the link register. After that, come to me or just DM any admin in the group. Then just say you want help for security circle, so that you can finish that to go to the next KYC. I'll guide you how to do it. So simple. So the first way of getting more ATOS coin after you do register, of course, if you register, you will be given the first $23, that is 23,000 ATOS, of which you can only get if you use the link on the description. Okay, so that is the other way. So you can see they have written the number of time this is gonna expire, and I can come back again and do the same thing. So they also have ads. So the next thing is you can go to rewards. If you go to rewards, you can see you can check in. I've been checking in and show more, or also you can get the what you've checked in, and also you do daily lottery. That is where that 20 ATOS coin you are seeing, that is verified one. So always play the wheel here if you come to rewards. Then another way, I want to show you my account. So this is the number of ATOS coin I have, right? And I want to show my balance, guys. So this is the real-time balance. You know, ATOS coin is a crypto coin, right? And crypto coins, their prices varies. Sometimes they go up, sometimes they go down. So when the market is bullish, they go up. When the market is bearish, they go down. So prices changes every time. Okay, so you can see right now I have verified ATOS worth 256,491. For example, right now, according to the price of this coin, ATOS coin, this 256,491 are verified ATOS is worth $122.47. Okay, I can exchange if I want, and the verifying the ones which are being verified is 173,000. So you can imagine, let me tell you something. This is being shown here, this price and the amount it worth according to the price right now, and the price varies. It goes down sometimes, it goes up. Okay, so for example, let us say let us do calculation. After right now you can sell it, right? But I'm talking about after this Atoshi Global App launch the app and it is listed in the app, and again the coin will be listed on other exchanges, crypto exchanges that is. So for example, let us do this calculation. Where's my calculator? Like this one. I don't know what that was. Okay, my baby is also awake. That thing scared her. Even me, I was scared. So guys, let us do calculation quickly. So what I have right now, I'm having 206,491 verified. Okay, so for example, I say by the time by the time they list the coin, maybe the price will be 0.1. Okay, so it means that I will get this amount, or maybe if the price is 0.09, let us see what I'll be having. This is what I'll be getting, guys. Okay, you can see. I don't know whether you are able to see it. $23,884. So guys, you can get this too. I'm only talking about verified ATOS, and I'm also having Atola. And remember, one Atola is $1. Okay, and I'm also having some USDT for ERC, that is under Ethereum network, and I'm also having some USDT. So guys, this thing is real, this thing works. So if you want to join, just click on the link on the comment section and also on the description of the video. Registration is simple. Just click on the link and direct to where you're supposed to register, and then download the app. Okay, so after that, first create a profile. After registration, verify your email address, then inbox any admin. That is why I'm telling you it is so important to join the WhatsApp group, so that you can inbox any admin to help you with verification. One, that is for security circle, so that you can go to verification 2 and be able to receive your $23 or ATOS, 23,000 ATOS coin, and you'll be able to start earning. You cannot earn anything if you've not or your earnings will be at waste if you are not verified. So guys, that is it. Thank you so much for listening. If you are new, you haven't registered, register. And if you are new coming across my video for the first time, make sure you subscribe to my channel, like the video, and also turn on the notification bells to avoid missing my videos. And also you can share with your friends who also wish to learn, and again you can use the same video to do to share with your friends so that they can also learn. And again guys, thank you so much for watching. See you in my next video.